Imagine a world made entirely of clay. Every leaf, every drop of water, every ray of sun is soft and textured. This is the Congo, sculpted by hand, brought to life one frame at a time. The sky glows with pink and orange clay as dawn breaks, pushing away the blue of night. The air is cool and quiet, a gentle hum rising as the world wakes. The sun, a perfect ball of yellow clay, peeks over the hills, its warmth pulsing across the landscape. Jungle greens glow, clay leaves tremble with life, and tiny clay birds chirp, their beaks opening and closing in song. A chorus melody drifts through the air, notes like dew on the leaves. You see fingerprints on the trees, marks of the artists, reminders of the love and care shaping this world. A distant waterfall's roar is made from rustling blue and white clay, mist catching the sun to form a shimmering rainbow. It's a moment of peace, inviting you to step into this magical clay world. The textures and colors create a gentle, welcoming place. The music weaves through nature's sounds, making you feel calm and happy. This isn't just a film, it's an experience, a new lens on the Congo's beauty, creativity, and wonder. A gentle start to a day full of discovery and awe. Now we step deeper into the rainforest. Sunlight filters through the thick canopy, casting shifting patterns on the forest floor. Massive trees rise, their trunks rough and real, vines of green clay hanging and swaying gently. Everywhere, shades of green blend together. Forest, lime, moss, making you feel inside a living sculpture. The rainforest is alive with sound. Clay monkeys leap from branch to branch, their calls echoing with playful energy. Tiny clay insects buzz and swirl, animated in intricate patterns. A drumbeat pulses softly, the heartbeat of the jungle. On the forest floor, clay leaves and moss form a lush carpet. A chameleon, patterned in greens and yellows, moves slowly, its eyes swiveling with comic curiosity. Every detail is crafted with patience, each movement a testament to the animator's dedication. The air feels humid and alive, the textures and colors suggesting the scent of earth and flowers. Lose yourself in the details, the rustle of a leaf, the crawl of a snail, the drip of water. The soft clay makes the rainforest inviting, a place of wonder, not danger. It's a celebration of nature's complexity, where every creature and plant plays a part in this vibrant world. Leaving the jungle, we reach the Congo River, a majestic ribbon of deep blue clay. Its surface ripples and swirls, textured with shades from navy to turquoise, reflecting the sun in shimmering patches. The river's sound is soothing, created by moving sheets of clay and beads, a presence you can feel. Reeds sway along the banks. A clay canoe glides silently, paddled by a lone figure. Hippos wallow in the shallows, their forms rounded and gentle. A crocodile rests on a sandbank, its eye a single yellow bead. Silver clay fish swim below the surface, their movements fluid and peaceful. Each creature feels like a friendly character in this tranquil scene. The river connects forest, village, and savanna, a lifeblood for all. The slow pace invites you to pause, to appreciate the simple, profound beauty of water and life. A calm interlude before our journey continues. As the sun climbs, we enter a clearing to meet the Congo's iconic residents. A family of gorillas rests in the shade. The silverback, sculpted in dark clay, exudes calm authority. Younger gorillas wrestle playfully, while a mother cradles her baby. Soft grunts and rustling leaves fill the air, a gentle family conversation. Nearby, forest elephants move gracefully, their clay skin textured and real. One sprays itself with blue clay droplets, a happy rumble following. These animals, sculpted with care, feel relatable and gentle. We see them as intelligent, emotional beings, not wild beasts. The animation captures their unique personalities, celebrating the gentle giants of the Congo. A quiet moment to appreciate their beauty and importance. Our journey takes us to a village nestled in a clearing. Round huts of reddish-brown clay, thatched roofs, and wisps of smoke create a warm, welcoming scene. The ground is smooth, dotted with footprints. Women in bright clay wraps pound cassava, their movements rhythmic and synchronized. Children play with stones, their laughter mixing with the thud of pounding. An elder weaves a basket in the shade, hands moving with practiced skill. Village sounds, voices, laughter, clinking pots blend with the cheerful notes of a balafon. Music and daily life merge, creating a rich, immersive soundscape. The claymation style adds warmth and charm, fingerprints reminding us of the human touch. It's a celebration of community, tradition, and harmony with the land. As afternoon fades, we reach the savannah. The sun dips low, casting golden light over tall grasses sculpted from yellow and brown clay. The sky glows orange, gold, and purple. Acacia trees stand as dark silhouettes. The air is calm, the wind rustling through the grass. A herd of antelope grazes, their movements slow and graceful. A giraffe nibbles leaves from an acacia, its patterned coat a mosaic of brown and yellow clay. The scene is peaceful, like a painting come to life. Music slows, flute notes stretching across the open space. It's a time for reflection, to soak in the beauty of the changing light. The day draws to a close, the landscape preparing for night. The sun sets, a deep red orb sinking behind the hills. The sky becomes a canvas of purples, pinks, and oranges, fading into twilight. Golden grasses glow, then dim as darkness falls. Stars, tiny white clay beads, appear, and a crescent moon rises. The world is quiet, bathed in gentle moonlight. Crickets chirp, a night bird calls. Our journey ends with calm and wonder. The clay Congo, a world of beauty and comfort. This final scene invites reflection, a reminder of nature's calming power and the artist's gentle touch. As the lullaby fades, we're left with the peaceful images of the Congo, a clay dream.
Dear viewers, I want to take a moment to thank each and every one of you for watching my videos and supporting my channel. Your love and encouragement mean so much to me. However, I have noticed that many of you enjoy the content but haven't subscribed yet. If you truly enjoy my videos and want to see more exciting content in future, I kindly request you to subscribe to my channel, and subscribing is completely free, but it helps me grow, create even better videos, and stay motivated to share some more amazing content with you. So if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and join our YouTube family today. Your support means that the world to me, and together we can make this community even bigger and stronger. Thank you so much for watching, supporting, and being a part of this journey. Dear viewers, I want to take a moment to thank each and every one of you for watching my videos and supporting my channel. Your love and encouragement mean so much to me. However, I have noticed that many of you enjoy the content but haven't subscribed yet. If you truly enjoy my videos and want to see more exciting content in future, I kindly request you to subscribe to my channel, and subscribing is completely free, but it helps me grow, create even better videos, and stay motivated to share some more amazing content with you. So if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and join our YouTube family today. Your support means that the world to me, and together we can make this community even bigger and stronger. Thank you so much for watching, supporting, and being a part of this journey.